off with materials, you're just going to need a hot glue gun and some hot glue gun sticks, some chain and findings, a non-stick mat, which I'm just using something covered with parchment paper, and some nail polish in the color of your choice. So starting off with the first step, you're just going to go ahead and grab your non-stick mat and your hot glue gun, and you're just going to place down or glue down a drop of glue in the shape that you like so. On to the next step, you're going to go ahead and grab your nail polishes and just kind of paint it down. You can either make it fully solid, but I just went ahead and grabbed different shades and just did a gradient. And then you're going to grab your hot glue again once your nail polish is dry and do another layer, and you're going to repeat this a couple of times. I did 3 layers. Now once you've done like a couple of layers, just go ahead and flip it around and do the same thing on the other sides. Now that you've done that, just go ahead and grab a pair of scissors, and you're just going to go ahead and cut or like shave down your like piece of hot glue into your desired crystal shape. Next, this is an optional step, but to make my crystal sort of shiny, I'm just going to go ahead and hold it over this flame in my candle so that now it looks kind of like this, so it's sort of like shiny. Next, we're going to wrap your crystal in order to make it into a charm. So just go ahead and grab any wire and you're going to make a little loop like this. I don't really know exactly how to like instruct you, but I will be linking a video in the description showing how to wrap your crystal. And now that you've got something that looks like this, just go ahead and grab a chain and kind of make it into a necklace or whatever, and you're just going to attach this little charm onto your necklace and you're done. Oh, also, just to let you know, I am selling this necklace on Depop if you would like to purchase it.